Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope your day is going well. Guys, news just coming in is that Nicki Minaj have been arrested in Amsterdam because apparently they think she has substances on her which she should not have. But it seems as if these things has been happening to Nicki regularly, so she has been they have been trying to stop her from making it to her show, according to what she is saying. So it's like people are out to get her for one reason or the other. But guys, we're gonna listen to the clip and hear what is going on. You can leave your comment below and let's discuss. I'm also going to be adding some comments from what others are saying about the situation. So feel free to leave your comment. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And let's go as we listen to the video and read some of the comments.
And so you guys, they just said that I have to get in this van and make a statement with no lawyer present. They just said I have to get in this van and go to the precinct with them with no lawyer present. To make a statement with no lawyer present. After the pre-rolls they found from bags that they were not authorized to take, that we did not know what they took, and we asked for our bags back. And after the security said, oh, those pre-rolls are his, they're telling me I have to go to the police precinct. Simply because, well, you know what? We'll get into that later.
Hey, open it.
Where am I going? For what? For what? Why am I going here?
Hello.
Yeah.
You're under arrest. I'm the police officer. I'm the deputy of the public prosecutor. We will bring you to the police station. Yes?
For what?
You can go because you are carrying drugs.
I'm not carrying drugs.
Okay, but it's not a question here. I think it's.
I'm not
smart to
carrying
go
drugs.
inside.
Number one, when I came here,
Yeah.
the
Okay,
back.
you can go inside.
No, I'm not going in there. I need a lawyer present.
You will get a lawyer. It's
No,
no
I
problem.
need a lawyer present now.
Okay, please.
Where am I going? I have no idea where
you
I'm
have
going.
to go to the police station.
What address is that?
It's 5 minutes away.
It's
They
5 minutes
texted
away.
it.
What's the address of the police precinct?
When you will catch your next show, we have to do it very fast, and we will help. But
You're talking about my show?
yes,
What about it?
yeah, we
He
talk.
said they will help to try to get you there.
They'll help to try to get me to my
Yes.
show.
So you
How?
can very quickly.
To do it as soon as possible. But we
But
can.
what am I doing? What am I doing? I
You
never
are
gave
under
anyone.
arrest.
I never. So I'm under arrest.
Yes.
But
Yes.
under arrest for what?
Okay. Stop filming now.
I'm under arrest for what?
Okay.
Do you
Stop
know what
filming
happened
now.
when I came
you
here?
have to go inside.
Huh? What you said?
Can you please stop filming? Please just step in the car first.
No, I need a lawyer, but because I don't know where I'm going.
You will get a lawyer at the office.
What did they say?
Second,
Tell me again.
the police officer told me we have to offload all the luggage
Okay.
and to search everything
Okay.
of your luggage. I'm so sorry to say that.
But isn't that what you planned on doing from the get-go? Why didn't you guys search it before it went on the plane?
They did just a random quick check, but now they want to open
Why?
it. And first of all, because you filmed him, and he was like,
Because I
young
filmed
bit-
him.
yeah, he was like, he doesn't believe you that you don't have more with you than you said.
No, he asked me, do I have any more in those purses? And I said no. And I
Yeah.
asked him, where are my bags? They took my bags and put it on the plane before I could know what bags are on the plane.
I see.
Yeah. So,
I'm so sorry for that.
okay, of course.